And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the table data tag. It's a simple tag that is used inside of tables. It's simply TD, and we can see that right here in my example. There are lots of table data, 6, 2 in the head and 4 in the body. And you can see here we've got our table elements. Inside are the table rows, and inside of them we've got the table data. And that's also this th element, which is basically a table data as well, but it's a specific table data element for the head. And you can see it gives it a different formatting, so it aligns it in center and gives it a bold style. If you want to add table data, just create a new row, nest the table data elements inside, and put your information in between the opening and closing TD tags. So now we've got a new line or a new table row. And once again, if I change TD to TH, it still works. It's just going to change the formatting. So now March is aligned in center and it's bold. So that's the only difference between TD and TH. And usually you only want to use these TH elements in your first table row, which most often is your table head. And this is all there is to know about the table data tag. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.